Hi, I am Paryan Shah. I am a CPLC student of 2013 batch.
Hi, I'm Maulik Gandhi. I joined CPLC in August 2012 to prepare for CAT 2013 and other examinations. And I am proud to say that being a CPLC student has helped me convert a lot of calls I got. And today I am a student in one of the best schools in India.
I am a fresher engineer and I started my preparation in my final year engineering. But this atmosphere of learning and a friendly atmosphere that you get in the classroom is just difficult to, it is difficult to replicate somewhere else.
Like him, even I am a fresher student. I am in my final year engineering, and I am glad to say that the support I received from CPLC teachers has helped me to become a bit more positive about myself, and also has molded me well to enter into the field of management. And the GDPI sessions were really helpful after I got the calls. And I would also like to point out that the examinations and the test series that we got from CPLC have worked wonders for me in my examinations.
Classroom scheduling is as per our convenience. We are ready to come whenever we wish to. The professors are available almost 24 hours, and I'm pretty glad to be part of this CPLC team.
So I would like to say thank you to CPLC for being there for us.
My name is Jay Shah. I'm currently doing my engineering in electronics and telecommunication from DJ Sangvi College of Engineering. I've got calls from IIM Indore, MDI Gurgaon, SP Jain, and the newer IIMs. I've done my MBA coaching from CPLC coaching classes. I came to know about CPLC through some friends of mine who were seniors and who were already a part of CPLC. And they told me about the teaching environment of CPLC, wherein the faculty members, they give a lot of importance to concept building rather than just giving students assignments and allowing them to do everything. And after joining CPLC, the main thing that I found out about was that the student to teacher ratio was really good. The faculties give personal attention to each and every student, and the student feels comfortable about asking doubts to each and every faculty member, and I think that is one of the major things that has helped me. Secondly, CPLC gives a lot of importance to concepts and problems, right? Teaching is fine, but then solving problems and developing the analytical skills required to tackle all those problems is something that is very important, and I think CPLC has helped me a lot to achieve that. Secondly, after getting calls from the IIMs, CPLC gave a lot of importance in preparation for the GD, VAT and the PI. CPLC used to conduct a lot of personal interviews wherein the faculty members used to conduct interviews, as well as there are people from outside the classes, or you can say people from industry, were called wherein they conducted interviews, and they kind of gave us a real life experience as to how an actual interview goes about. So I think that is something that helped me a lot.
Hi, I am Dharmil Shah, and I was a CPLC student. Besides that, I've got a call. So I got calls from SP Jain, IIM Indore, MICA, all those colleges, Symbiosis, and fortunately I was able to convert MICA. I'm very thankful to CPLC. They have always been, the method they have used to teach, to train the students for entrances is just amazing. They have focused a lot on concepts as well as problem solvings, and whenever I have doubts, they were always there for clearing them, and this was just an amazing experience. Besides that, even for the GDPI process, that personalized attention which I got from CPLC was just amazing, and I don't think that would I can take on the entire credit to my own self, because CPLC has played extremely huge role for me getting into a good MBA college.
Hello, my name is Sanchit. I am a CPLC student. I am currently in my final year of engineering from DJ Sangvi College of Engineering.
Hi, I am Aditya. I am also a CPLC student. I am also an engineer. I did my engineering in 2012.
CPLC is the best step which a person can take from engineering to MBA, and also the training and the classroom teaching which is provided at CPLC was quite distinctive, and it helped me learn new concepts and knowledge which was quite necessary for the exams and to score good marks, which could convert into calls.
Right, and also the best thing is that materials can be provided by anyone. It's the faculty, the pedagogy that CPLC provides. It's a class apart, and also the the way of teaching and the way that they are always there to help you to sort out the problems is unmatched.
Also, CPSE is quite flexible in its timings and teaching. So it's also the faculty and the staff here is always there to help the student in whatever problem he is facing. So that's a quite good aspect which is added to the class.
Right, and the other best thing is that the teaching, the coaching is not limited to the exams. It's also carried out to your GD and PI preparation, which helps you to convert your course definitely to some premium good colleges.
There's an end-to-end process which is happening at CPSE and it's quite a good experience.
Right, I had a good time and I hope you also.
Hi, my name is Viram Shah. I am a CPLC student. I got to know about CPLC through my seniors, through my batchmates, and I'm so glad that I got to know about CPLC. It's been a wonderful experience in the past 1 year. They have groomed us so well. Before the call, the entire teaching faculty was there whenever we needed them. The entire, all of the lectures were so good. All the concepts were taught to us properly. They made sure that we did enough practice in regard to that. And once we got calls, they helped us in different ways. They helped us with GDs, they helped us with interviews, and it's in all, they've been just the perfect guide for our MBA aspirations. And they've started this new series called the RoboMate series, and it is going to be a big hit. It is very helpful. One of the features is that you can use it at home. You can use it when you don't want to come to class, or you don't have the time to come to class, and that is going to be one of the biggest benefits of the RoboMate. And just the fact that it's going to couple it with all of the test series and all of the content matter that they provide is going to make it a very big help to everybody who wants to do an MBA.